Welcome to Sipaia, a small coastal community on the northern coast of Papua New Guinea. This year, the Sipaia community with Bauer Studio built 2 new composting toilets and repaired 2 existing ones built in 2012 to improve sanitation by providing facilities that weren't at risk of being flooded out by heavy rain and rising sea levels. Beyond simply providing the physical infrastructure needed for improved sanitation, the success of these facilities lies in the Sipaia community having the capacity to sustain their ongoing maintenance. Lack of maintenance plays a large role in unhealthy living environments globally. Australian organisation Health Habitat published a telling statistic in their study across 7,500 homes, where they found that 70% of health hazards were due to lack of routine maintenance. For the composting toilets in Sipaia, their maintenance and repair is a complicated task, as each one is shared by a number of families. Like common facilities anywhere, it requires coordination and designation of responsibility in taking care of them.
The first batch of students, they came here, they built the toilet. We all in the village, we were very happy because we have a toilet. But then the village, the people in the village, the community, they don't take the ownership of the cleanliness and the maintenance of the toilet. So that's the big problem.
The on-site maintenance process became a great capacity building exercise. We all learnt together how the composting system worked, how certain parts of the toilet were being misused, and what needed attention in terms of maintenance and daily use. Following the repair, the maintenance team got together and developed a list of routine maintenance jobs, which would make it easier to coordinate who would take responsibility for what, clearly outline what needed to be done, and why. We divided this into weekly routines which included cleaning and adding extra composting material to the tanks, as well as longer-term maintenance including replacing rotten timber elements, oiling and repainting the timber, monitoring the plumbing, and a detailed guide on the composting system.
Must be continuously monitoring it. If any repairs needs to be done, then it should be done.
We discussed that a formalised set of maintenance guidelines should be included with the building instruction manual to allow for easier coordination of who takes responsibility for what jobs. In addition to a maintenance guide, through iterative and improved design, we can reduce maintenance problems in future builds. Ongoing conversations with those using the toilets is the best way to refine the design, with their expertise on the local climate and how the toilets are being used. A focus on rigorous maintenance training and guidelines, as well as focused design to reduce maintenance, needs to be a key aim when providing health hardware for these communities, to ensure their everyday spaces remain healthy and safe.